Good morning, children. A new year brings new expectations and goals in our life, isn't it? Today we entered in a new era, which is 2020, or I can say 2020. This new year is a new opportunity for all of us to start over. Every year, New Year arrives with new hopes and it gives us new belief for a very new start. Let's have some changes, as it is the perfect time to make some changes. As a teacher, we are trying hard to take our students on a higher level. We always try to teach the children the way they learn and helping them climb their own mountains as high as possible. We all know that mother gives birth and the guru gives life, but a guru alone cannot change everything until the students cooperate him. Here, all the faculty members are striving to bring out the best in you. It is a great time what we would like to improve as a teacher and as a student. New Year is the time when we make New Year's resolution. So let's have some determinations today and forget the backlashes. Don't regret on your past. My dear students, the school is always with your journey towards success. At last, I would like to say that I am blessed to find myself among such talented teachers and such brilliant students. Let us grow together. I hope this year will bring happiness and successness in your life. Wish you all a very, very happy new year. Thank you.